So you want to take action. You want to start that business. You want to start that exercise routine, start getting fit. But let's be real. You're not doing it. You're hesitating. You're over analyzing. You're second guessing yourself. And the more you do that, the more things stay the same. If you've ever thought to yourself, I need more information, I just need more time, I'm just waiting for the right time to do things, you're trapped. You're trapped not by the world, not by your circumstances, but you're trapped by your own fear that something will happen if you make the wrong move. Hi, my name is Jay, and I've been working with people for the past 5 years, helping them identify and break free of the patterns that keep them stuck. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop being afraid, finally, and take action to move forward in your life. So people tell you, trust yourself, just trust yourself. But what if you don't? How do you start trusting yourself? You want to take action, you want to start that business, you want to start that exercise routine, you want to make that jump in your career, you want to ask that girl out, whatever it is. How do you actually go and do it? Because you're trying to prepare. You're trying to prepare for every possible thing that could go wrong. And you're looking into these scenarios, you're thinking about them, and you're wondering, okay, what if something goes wrong? What if this goes wrong? What if that goes wrong? What if I start my business and I lose my job? What then? What if I ask that girl out and she rejects me? What then? What if she embarrasses me? What then? So you're looking for certainty. And the brutal truth is, in life, there is no certainty. You're trying to prepare for every negative outcome that could possibly happen under God's great earth. And I'm here to just tell you that what you're doing is called avoidance. You're looking for safety. You're looking for certainty. But the brutal truth behind this is that search for certainty, absolute certainty in life, it's a complete lie. It's a scam. It's a farce. You don't get 100% certainty in life about anything. And so the more you overanalyze about the details, trying to look at every possible scenario and try to prepare for everything that might go wrong, that's not really preparation. That's just avoidance. Because 1,000 things could go wrong. Are you going to prepare for 1,000 things that could go wrong before even starting? Are you going to look for information about everything and everything before you even begin? How are you not avoiding things? How are you not avoiding taking action by trapping yourself in that pattern? So the reason I know about this so well, and it almost pisses me off when I talk about this, is because I used to do this all the time. I was on a hamster wheel. I was the hamster. And I'm running super fast on this wheel. Running. I used to be tired all the bloody time. I was living the same life. I was sick and tired of it beyond any level of tolerance that I had. I was ready to give up on life, but I couldn't change. I didn't change. And I was getting more and more exhausted, more and more tired. I was learning. I was trying to do courses. I was collecting information. I was preparing, because I was just worried that if I left that job and I followed my dreams, what would happen? So I was on this hamster wheel all the time, running, working in my job, getting up in the morning, going there, doing what I had to do for 9, 10, 11, 12 hours a day, coming back, trying to work on my dream, preparing, analyzing, trying to be perfect, not trying to make a mistake, trying half-heartedly to do a few things, not really getting off the ground and doing anything, not really committing to action. The more I researched, the more I planned, the less ready I felt, because I just realized that I didn't know even more. And the only real way for me to learn anything in the first place was by actually immersing myself in the action and learning by doing. But I was looking for safety. I was looking for certainty. I was looking for a guarantee. Where in life do you get a guarantee? Ask your parents, or ask yourself if you're married. Before getting married, was there any guarantee? What I realized is that I wasn't chasing security. I was chasing certainty. Because true security comes from knowing that you will be able to handle whatever life throws your way. And that comes from experience. That comes from going in the battlefield. That comes from accumulating a few scars. Doesn't come from learning and reading. It comes from taking action. So here's what I did. I stopped looking to be perfectly prepared. I stopped looking for all the information. I stopped waiting for the right time. Instead, I just decided that I was going to act. even when I was uncomfortable, especially when I felt uncomfortable. I reprogrammed my mind, my brain to act when it was the most uncomfortable. Because here's the thing, transformation is not about knowing that you're going to be successful. It's not about, you know, it's not about knowing that things are going to work out. It's about becoming that person that even when things are not working out, you can handle it. It's like this. You're standing at the edge of a cliff. You look down. It's a huge drop. And you want to fly. But you don't know if you're going to fly. Or you don't know you're going to land on your feet. But you jump anyway. Because if you were to look down, get scared, walk back, and say, I'm going to try again later, I need some more time to think. I need to get better prepared. I need to find some way to be sure that I'm going to land on my feet. I'm going to grow wings. I'm going to fly. Guess what? The next time you come back to the edge of that same cliff and you look down, you're going to feel the same way. The fear is not going to go away because you don't know. You don't know what's going to happen when you jump off the cliff. There's no way to know. There is no certainty. There is no guarantee. Either you land on your feet or you trust yourself to figure it out along the way. And I know this can be really difficult, especially if you're on your own. So here's my invitation to you. If you need a little bit of help, a little nudge, a little push to help you get off that cliff, I have this amazing community of people who help each other. And there's some really, really, really cool stuff there that you could come check out that will help you on your journey. So there's a link in the description below. Go click on that link. Come and check us out. I'm sure there's something you can try out for free. And just come and take our help. I hope I see you there on this amazing community that we've got. It's called the Greater Self. It's your chance to be greater than what you are today, to be much, 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 much more, because the truth is, that's what transformation is all about. I hope to see you there. Take care.